Welcome everyone. To use Do Not Disturb while driving, let's start by opening up the settings. And inside of the settings, I want you to scroll down until you see Focus, which is the newer softwares. And on the older softwares, you're going to see Do Not Disturb. Quickly to cover the older softwares, if you see Do Not Disturb, you're going to tap on this one. And then you're going to scroll to the bottom. And you see Do Not Disturb while driving. You're going to select Activate, and you can either choose automatically, when connected to car Bluetooth, or manually. And Do Not Disturb while driving, if it's manually activated, is just this regular Do Not Disturb toggle, which you can turn on or off like this. On the newer software, you have the focus mode. So let's go into the focus mode here. And the Do Not Disturb is not the same as Do Not Disturb while driving. There is now this new driving here. You won't see this by default, so I'm going to delete my driving. To add the Do Not Disturb while driving, you're going to see the plus, and I want you to tap on the plus. Then you're going to see the driving here, and we now have the option to customize. And so turn on automatically while driving. We turn this one on. You can switch this to when connected to car Bluetooth or automatically. So I'll set this one to automatically. And you can customize what lock screen and home screen you see when you're driving. You can also choose what notifications you want to allow or what notifications you want to silence. If you choose what notifications to allow, every notification you don't choose will be disabled. And if you choose notifications to silence, every notification you don't silence will be allowed. And you can customize if you want repeated calls. To activate the Do Not Disturb while driving manually, if your iPhone does not have a home button, swipe down from the far right hand side. And if your iPhone does have a home button, swipe up from the bottom. And then you're going to long press on the focus here. And you're going to select driving. And now you're in the driving mode. With that being said, if you'd like to help support the channel, please do check the description. Bye bye.